Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the very famous word in Japanese that's usually spoken before having a meal. In a way, it's used similarly as we say, enjoy your meal, or bon appétit, buon appetito, but that's not what it means, and that's crucial. I'll tell you more about it later. For now, let's work on the pronunciation. So the correct pronunciation for this word is ITADAKIMASU. 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 Now, if you've ever watched an anime, then you know that they actually tend to sing it a little bit, and sometimes they will extend the ma towards the end, so it will end up sounding more like itadakimasu, itadakimasu, and occasionally might even sound like they put a little tsu or a doubling in the first ta, a bit like itadakimasu. Now, all of that is fine, but it's a little bit because of emotions. Maybe you're really excited, or maybe you can't wait to have your meal. So it's all fine, but just so you know, the actual way to pronounce it, if you weren't in a position where it was appropriate to be particularly ecstatic, then you would say, itadakimasu, itadakimasu. All right, so do you pronounce the s at the end? Generally speaking, no, but it's not wrong to do it. So even if you said, itadakimasu, it's okay, and some Japanese speakers do it, and in fact it conveys a little bit of a feeling of humility, but it is more common to just cut it at the end and just say itadakimasu. Choose the one you like the most. Now for the advanced learners, what about the pitch? Well, the pitch accent follows the same rules as the majority of the tene, or the gentle, polite form of speech, so basically desmasu. The idea is, starts low, go high, stays high, until we reach the su. And su will go down, we'll have a step down. So, itadakimasu. Okay? When it comes to the translation, so it literally means to receive. So I am receiving something. And that's crucial because you would only use it if you are the one who is about to eat. While in the West, if you could say bon appetit, or you could say, hey, enjoy your meal to someone else as they are having their meal, even though you are not eating, as a form of just wishing them to have a good time. You can't do that in Japanese with itadakimasu because it would mean that you're trying to take their food from them. That's very important. So only use it when you're about to eat yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.